still got the MISHI over here, you guys. I gotta go ahead and install that at some point. Well, thankfully I haven't dropped my tank yet, you guys. As I'm looking at the FedEx tracking, it says pending, initially expected Thursday, 8/25/2022. What's today's date? 9/10? Yeah, so September 10th, and I still haven't got it. It's in transit, Nashville, Tennessee, on 9/10/2022 at 12:53. So I don't think I'm getting you guys. But I do have a new Mishimoto going in right there. Alright, I got here safely, and Lexi's already dehydrated, but we're gonna go ahead and move my Neon right there. Chris is over here moving his white girl. One of many SRTs here in the driveway. You got the SRT 8G. You got the new SRT 10, which I will do a video on, but if you guys are not subscribed, subscribe. Stay notified so I can give you guys an update on that and or review, drive, whatever. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do yet, but it's super clean. I'm glad he was able to add it to his collection, which you guys know over there, that's his SRT parts yard car collection over there. He also has now a PT GT. Pretty sure I can pop this. Here we go. She is a little dirty, and the battery needs to be, I don't know, dealt with, but it's pretty clean. That thing's low mileage, and this, I'm not exactly sure how many miles are on this, but he just picked this up prior. It's the Torn edition, 2.4 liter turbo, same motor as this. So I'm gonna move that here. My first step is I'm gonna jack the car up, put it up on jack stands. I'm gonna take the front wheels off, and I'm gonna drain the oil and my radiator, because it's time to change out my eBay radiator that I fixed and repaired. I have a new MISHI right here in the trunk. I've had this for, I gotta say, almost 4 months now, ever since I got to Washington. Now, if you guys don't remember, I drove from Florida to Washington State. When I actually got to Marysville, my radiator started leaking. I repaired it with Quick Steel, so link in the description for the video. I'm still gonna rock those JDM fans. Those are also from eBay. I'm gonna pull out the radiator, take out the fans, put the fans back on there, probably the same way or a different way, making sure that they don't move around up and down like this. I'll end up having issues, and I don't want to have any issues. But like I said, drain oil, drain coolant, give you an update, because my next step is drop the tank, show you guys my fuel canister, fuel setup, and what I'm going to be changing. Alright, so we're just gonna leave everything intact. Top hose, bottom hose, fans, and just pull it all out. We have it dripping all over the place. What up, man? Mike.
Josh.
How are you?
Pretty good.
I'm gonna order a new fan shroud from Modern Performance when I get back to where I reside right now in Everett, which I'm not really fond of, you guys. I'm pretty pumped the fact that I'm getting out of Everett. and I'm leaving Washington. I will be back here to Chris's SRT4 garage with hopefully a new stabilizer. My stabilizer's acting up. I don't know exactly why, but every time I put the camera on, it starts to wiggle up and down. It is, when I push the button to hold it and stabilize it, it does a little bit, like as long as I keep smooth, but it just...
Otherwise it has a...
move.
I see it.
Yeah. So I'm having an issue with it. Probably just buy a new one and return this one, and you know, new radiator is gonna go in, JDM fans are gonna go on. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back in there. You guys can see we got water running because of the fact that it didn't go so well. But stay tuned. Hopefully I'll be able to bring you guys a video when I'm done with my contract. I'm back out here with Chris. I will be doing a video on this Viper SRT10 that Chris just purchased. It's super dope. It sounds delicious and even looks more delicious in person compared to being on camera. I know you guys want to see it in person, but y'all are where you are. Hopefully you guys stay tuned, subscribe, and I'm just fucking dumbfounded right now, you guys. I don't have my fuel pump fixed. We got the new MISHI now bolted in. I gotta go ahead and tighten the lower radiator hose clamp underneath the radiator itself. I gotta tighten this one, this one. Chris has this spill-proof funnel kit that he's going ahead and getting the piece to attach it. I gotta add the oil, and unfortunately I don't have a piece from Jegs, so I'm gonna have to do another video of you know, revamping my fuel pump. But I'm gonna drop my tank in a little bit, pull it in here with Chris and Josh, and show you guys it.